How to freeze Snapchat location. That's what I will show you today. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is posted. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. Just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up Snapchat. And once you do that, click on the profile icon or picture at the top left, and then click on the settings gear icon at the top right, and you will get to this page right here where you will need to scroll down to the privacy control section, and from there click on see my location. Once you are on this page right here, you will see that you have this option that says ghost mode. So just click on it to turn it on, and once you do that, you will get this window that asks you when do you want this ghost mode to be turned off. You can choose any one of these options. I'm going to choose until turned off, and this is the first step. The second step is to navigate to your Snapchat app settings section, and from there click on permissions, and let's click on location, and let's choose the last option that says don't allow. uh, and this is the second step, and by doing these two steps, um, you will freeze your location on Snapchat. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can freeze your location on Snapchat. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. With that said, see you in the next video.